Hello everyone, today I will show you the big volume impression putty. The base and the catalyst are both 350 grams. So if you are using it in the clinic or lab, this is a better and more economical product for you compared with the 25 grams of imprinted film material, and the container is white jars. The sealing performance is good. We can print your logo and graphic here. After opening the cover, inside of the jar, base and catalyst all can be customized, like the color, mixing, and curing time to fit different people's operation and preference. So about 3 minutes biting time, we can get the mold like that. And if we want to get a mold more accurate, we can use the lighter body, which can combine with the impression putty to get a more accurate teeth mold.